there!
Ready night.
There he is! Open fire! Could have been... Stand down! I heard that.
Snoring now.
Don't mess with the Kingpin and live! Can't hit him in the air! How is he beating us? You're gonna have a bad day! Thinning us out! It's the end for you! I'll get him for you!
Back up! For a guy in jail, Fisk's men are awfully loyal.
Damn! Back him down! Who on this? Why'd you go hit him? Sending us out! You're done!
Hey, new arrival! Did I mention this is a rent party? Chip in! No, for real, I need rent money!
Look out!
Spider-Man, I just checked. There's been a rash of counterfeit bills in that neighborhood.
Counterfeiting? That's a dying art. I'll do my part to make it extinct.
You want some? Everyone down! Don't you dare hit me with that!
Bad haircuts, excessive cologne, yep, more Fisk-coons.
Hope you got insurance. Can't hit him in the air. This is for the boss. Come on, bring him down already.
More backup? Guys, Willie said to take the day off. Scout's honor!
Knock him out. I'm in an ass-kicking mood. Get these slabs off me! Gift from the boss! Upward!
Everything's quiet here now, Captain.
Great. That's one more revenue stream Wilson Fisk can't use to pay his lawyers.